Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Pros, your online physics guide. So in this video, we are studying the forces and laws of motion. And the objective of the video is to study the effect of forces, balanced and unbalanced forces, and the net forces. So let's take an example in which the water falls down when we open the tap of the water. So the water is falling down. Have you ever thought why the water falls down? So many of you already know the answer. It's because of the gravitational pull, right? Now let's take another example. This is a stationary car, okay? The car is at rest. Now when a force of 50 Newton, let's say, applied on this car, then what will happen? The car will start moving, right? So the force has ability to change the position of an object, right? Now let's take another example. This is a cycle which was moving towards the right side and a force of 10 Newton is applied towards the left side. So the cycle comes to rest, right? So the force has ability to bring an object at rest, correct? So now another question is, do all the forces change the state of the object? Here the situation is 50 Newton of force is applied from the back side of the car and 50 Newton of force is applied from the front side of the car. So will the car start moving if it is at rest? Or if it is at rest and after applying these two forces, will it stay at rest? So to understand whether the car will move or not, we have to understand the balanced forces and the unbalanced forces. What are the balanced and unbalanced forces? We are going to discuss about it. So the first question is, what are the balanced forces? So the balanced forces are the forces when two equal and opposite forces act on an object. Equal, it means let's say 50 Newton from the front side, 50 Newton from the back side acting on a bus. Then these forces balance each other and they will cancel each other, right? Why they will cancel each other? Because they are opposite in direction, right? So, and they are equal in magnitude, 50 Newton and 50 Newton. So their net effect is zero, correct? It means they cancelled each other, correct? Now, what about the unbalanced forces? So when two unequal forces, let's say 60 Newton from the back side and 50 Newton from the front side, now in this situation acting on the bus. So since these two forces are not equal in magnitude, they will not completely cancel each other, right? There will be some force, which is let's say 60 minus 50 Newton. So you will get 10 Newton of force, which is still acting towards the right side on the bus. Okay, so due to this force, bus may move if it is light. Okay, now next thing is, what is the next net force? So the net force is the sum of all the forces. All the forces means, let's say one force is F1 and another force is F2, then the net force will be F1 plus F2. But please keep in mind, you have to always take the sign of the forces also. So if this force F2, if it was not here and it was acting from the front side of the bus, right? And if it is opposite to F1, then the sign of this F2 becomes negative because it's just opposite of F1. So the net force in this situation will be F1 minus F2. We are still adding the forces. We are doing F1 plus F2 still, but since F2 is minus, So we have to bring here the minus sign as well. So in case of opposite forces, the net force is F1 minus F2.